I have a new sticker book here by CasstheticPlans, Colors of the Rainbow. It has 1,214 pieces in here. There are 50 pages, and this one is releasing Monday, March 30th at 10 a.m. Central Time. Welcome back. I'm Tina from It's a Wonderful Plan. Super excited to share this sticker book with you. It's so pretty. Let's do a flip through, and then I want to play with some of these and create some fun Dutch doors. All right, so first we are looking at the red collection, and we have beautiful florals in here, and these are on paper, and then we have the same designs but on clear sticker paper. Then we move into these like watercolor inks here in red, and it does have like some other colors mixed in there, but this is like part of the red collection here, and these are both on clear sticker. Now we're into the orange. These really pretty orange bouquets. They look like lilies. And then we have the orange color, like watercolor inks here. We go into the yellow, again, paper and then clear. Those are really pretty. And the watercolors for the yellow. Again, 2 pages of those, and those are both on clear. Then we have the green. These are really cute, these green roses. And the watercolors for that. And then we are into the blue. Love the blue, so pretty. And then we have the blue watercolors. So I think that this is going to be so much fun to work with. You could pick your favorite colors. Here's the purple. You can mix them or just do like a monotone spread. And then we've got our purple watercolors. And then we are into some pinks here. Those are really pretty flowers. Using these would make like a really pretty flower journal. I've been wanting to do that. This is pretty, that pink. This is such a thick book. Now we have some that are just all mixed with different colors. They look like, oh, what kind of flowers are these? I'm really bad with knowing the names of flowers. Some of them I'm good, but others I just do not know. Are those like, they seem like some kind of like daisy or maybe like a pansy. I'm not sure. Then we've got multicolor watercolor ink here. Then we have the functional boxes in the red tones in different sizes. And then we have dots over here. Now we're into the oranges. Again, we've got different sizes. We've got yellows here. And our greens. So we've got all of the colors, the flowers and the watercolors, and then the functional boxes. So here's the blue, and we're into our purples. And these are dots here. They look like color blocks, but Cassie does that. And then, when you pull it up, it's like the complete color. So there's no white trim around there. And then here's the pinks. I really like this pink. Then we have some already made clusters, which of course Cassie has introduced us to in her other books. Oh, look how pretty that is. This one's really pretty. Oh, look at that. Love that. Those are all on paper. And then we have one page here of quotes. Try to be a rainbow in someone else's cloud. You'll never find a rainbow if you are looking down. You are a rainbow of possibilities. Every storm in your life is followed by a rainbow. Count your rainbows, not your thunderstorms. I'd rather see a world as a rainbow rather than an endless shade of gray. Don't miss all the colors of the rainbow. Looking for the pot of gold. There would be no rainbows without sunshine and rain. The greater your storm, the brighter your rainbow. If you want the rainbow, you have to put up with the rain. Today's teardrops are tomorrow's rainbows. Very, very cute quotes. I don't know if this is like her writing or if this is just a font that she used, but it's really, really cute. It's a really fun book. So if you like having all the different colors, this is a really good book to have. It's kind of like a nice functional staple book to have in your like sticker book library. All right, let's go ahead and have some fun with this. Now, if you do decide to purchase this sticker book, I am an affiliate, so I greatly appreciate if you use my affiliate link, and you will find that down below in the description. There are also some really good sticker books that are in the shop to check out. Like Springtime is so pretty. I have done a couple of spreads with that. So, like I said, if you do any shopping, greatly appreciate if you use my affiliate link. All right, so now here is my thought. I am thinking I want to kind of mix. I want to bring a quote in here somehow, some way. So I want to do like 3 pages is what I'm thinking here. And let's see. So we've got 1, 2, and then 3. So I always like to start from the back and work my way up. And I want to kind of just go in order here. But I want to start with these watercolors first. Okay, so here I'm not sure because this is an A5 journal, so I'm not sure how well this is really going to fit. And I haven't like mapped it out or anything like that. I'm just kind of winging it, going for it, having some fun playing with my stickers here. So I'm thinking of bringing in like all of the colors. Let's see. Let's bring that up here. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay them all down, and then I will trim them off and kind of go from there. Okay, so now I want to bring one in that has like a lot of orange. This one maybe. Like this has got like a mix of orange and yellow in here. Do that. Now we're coming over here. Now I'm wondering, do I really need to bring that in, or should I just leave the yellow like that? Maybe I'll leave the yellow like that because it is kind of a mix. So let's move in to the green. Let's do this one. Now I'm wondering if I should bring in some more yellow, like if I have enough yellow, because let's see, I've got this. Yeah, I think I am going to grab that yellow. I'm going to go back here. I feel like I'm going to need, oops, that may not be the best one. Let's try this one or this one. Okay, I'm going to do that. And then I got the green. Okay, now we're moving into the blue. That's pretty. Now I'm starting to think that I am going to need to fill this in a little bit more because here's purple. So I want to just kind of grab these, and then pink. This is actually a really good one. Okay, so now that I only have 3 more to go, I'm going to bring these in here. And, oh, actually this might work out okay. All right, there we go. Oh, that's cute. Okay. All right, now I want to just clean up the extended stickers here. So here's the quotes. And I'm thinking of count your rainbows, not your thunderstorms, or you are a rainbow of possibilities. I think I like this one because it's a little bit longer. So here, what I am thinking, I want to actually cut this into 2 pieces so that way I can use it as like a long quote. I'm not really sure how I want to have this, but I know I want to cut it down. Okay, I think what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to actually cut this first because I want to have enough of this like sticking out and I don't want to cut it short. So let's cut the paper. I'm just following these dots. Okay, so that actually works. And I don't know if I want to color that yet, but I am going to leave that quote there. So that the next thing I want to do is, ooh, I know what I could do. I could bring in some of the red that's at the top, but I'm thinking like that. So that way I have that down. I can always kind of fill in. So now the next thing that I want to do is I want to do these flowers. Now I could make them straight, like just have a straight edge and then add the flowers in. And you know what? I think I kind of like that idea. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this, and I usually don't cut it so early, but I think that in this case, this will be the best way for me to do this. So I think I'm going to cut it. Well, no, let me start with this one here, because if I cut it too short, I can't add, but if I don't cut enough, then I can always add. I can always take away, I should say. Okay, now let's fill in the flowers. Okay, so now these are nice because there's some straight edges here, which will actually work, I think, very nicely, depending on how big they are. And do I want to do paper? No, I want to do clear because the clear layers a little bit nicer. All right, so now I have that all cleaned up here. I do need to fill the flip sides and I need to fill this left side here. So let's see, I can do like a mirrored over here with the watercolors. And then I could, of course, do the florals. And then I could do another quote on that side. So that way it's really is like a Dutch doors because then it's like the same thing. Okay, so we're going to start from the beginning again. And I'm going to grab the watercolors. Okay, now some of them I could probably use from what I cut off on the other side. I'm going to turn this like this. Yeah, I want them to come far enough. Let's see if I can make this work here. Because it's like already put together for me, right? It's what I trimmed off of this side. So that actually is working out very nicely. So now all I need is the purple and the pink. And I do have a little piece of pink, but I don't think that's going to be enough. So let me grab the purple and the pink. Oh, here's a pink corner. Okay, now I just need a purple. The purple is really dark. Oh, but this is a good one here. Okay, now I wish that this one would come out a little bit more. The blue is kind of short, but I think I'm just going to go with that. All right, that looks cute. Okay, so now let me do the flowers. I'm actually going to grab a few of them because I think it's just a little bit easier for me. Okay, so I have these three, so let me put these down. So with having a spread like this, you can really kind of bring in whatever colors you want. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab like all of these square boxes. So they're all like the same. All right, so this is a lot of fun to play with. I just added a few boxes in here just to kind of give you a little bit of an idea of what you can do. I placed the boxes kind of close to the colors that are in here. And so it kind of ties out these boxes. You could build on them with other boxes, like other sizes, and do a lot of different things with these pages. Just have them be journaling pages. You can maybe even do like a weekly spread in here if you wanted to, because there actually are 7 colors, so that might be kind of a fun thing to do. Bring this one over here to kind of balance it. I'm thinking might be a little bit of a better way, and then you really could use this as like a really fun like weekly journaling spread. Super cute. I had so much fun using this book, Colors of the Rainbow by CasstheticPlans. Lots and lots of colors in here. Of course, all of the rainbow colors, all of the elements, quotes, these watercolor inks in here, the flowers, of course. Have a lot of fun with this sticker book. This one is coming out on Monday, March 30th at 10 a.m. Central Time. If you do decide to purchase anything, I greatly appreciate if you consider using my affiliate link, and you will find that down below in the description. Had no plan with this. I just kind of went with it. Knew that I wanted to mix these colors and have like this really pretty like rainbow of colors that here with a quote. So I like the way that it turned out. I hope that you had fun here. If you did, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to me, and when you subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way you will not miss any of the videos that I post. And drop me a comment down below. Let me know, is this a book that you think would be a great addition to like your sticker collection? I think this is definitely a great staple book to have for anybody, whether you use journals or use planners. I think it's perfect. All right, thank you so much. And if you watch this video all the way till the end, be sure to leave me a rainbow emoji. Thanks so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.